Good afternoon, everybody. We are here at the I-80, the world's largest truck stop in the world. We are here upstairs filming, giving you a bird's eye view. They have a embroidery shop, but they have a print shop, and they also die-cast trucks, clothing, all kinds of accessories for your trucks, lights, tons and tons of lights, LED lights. I have a truck down there with the green glow on it, and green lights. Anything chrome for trucks, mud flaps, shifter boots, they have them here. If you can't find it, they're either out of it or they don't make it. They have tons of horns, tons of lights, the train horns. They have a CD shop where they can tune and super tune your radio so you can get out further. There we are, world's largest truck stop, I-80, Iowa 80. Got a more clothes, Harley stuff.